So we have a production function like this. Q is equal to some function of K and L, which is equal to alpha L or AL plus BK. The first thing we want to do is get the MRTS, so the marginal rate of technical substitution, which is just the marginal product of labour divided by the marginal product of capital. So what's the MPL? Well, the marginal product of labour is just derivative of Q with respect to L, which in this case gives us A, and that has nothing to do with L. And the marginal product of capital is just derivative of quantity with respect to capital, which is just going to be B in this case. So that means that the MRTS is just A over B. Okay. So part B of this question is, what can we say about returns to scale? Well, to see what kind of returns to scale you have, the best way to do it, I think, is just, let's see what happens if we double both inputs. So what's f of 2k and 2l? Well, that's just equal to a times 2l plus b times 2k, which is just, if you want to write it a bit more simply, twice al plus twice bk. So that's what happens, that's our output if we double both of our inputs at the same time. Is that double our output? Well, double our output, twice q is equal to 2al plus 2bk, or in other words, twice f of k and l is equal to f of 2k and 2l. Okay, so this is f of 2k and 2l, and this is twice f of k. So we can see that they're the same thing, so doubling both of our inputs gives us double our output, so we have constant returns to scale, CRS. If doubling our inputs gave us more than double our output, we'd have increasing return scale, and if doubling our inputs gave us less than double, we'd have decreasing. So there's one last little bit of this question. What are the values of A and B if the MPL is equal to 3 and capital is twice as productive as labour? Well, if A is equal to 3 and the MPK is equal to twice the MPL, that means the MPK is equal to twice 3, which is equal to 6. So we already knew that A, we're told that A is 3, and then we just worked out that B, the marginal product of capital, is equal to 6.